is about win-win. Win-win, what I saw a lot working in early childhood wasn't win-win. It was win-lose, meaning a teacher says something to a child, the child doesn't feel empowered. Like, finish this sentence, you get what you get, and you don't have a fit. Right, so if you went to dinner tonight, and you ordered your favorite meal, and the waiter brings, what's your favorite meal?
Lobster.
Lobster, you got it. What's your favorite meal?
Chicken pasta.
Chicken pasta. Okay, chicken pasta, is that what you said? Is there a certain place that you like to eat chicken pasta? Got it. So you go to TGI Fridays with your friends, you order your chicken pasta, a chicken pasta plate comes by, it's not yours, you get excited, your mouth's watering, all of a sudden everybody gets their food, the waiter puts in front of you your tofu Caesar salad. And then you say as respectfully as possible to the waiter, I didn't order this. And the waiter goes, you get what you get, you don't throw a fit, and they walk away. Are you okay with that? You're throwing a fit, exactly. But that's it. So the waiter, if you say that to a child, it doesn't benefit the child. There's no communication, there's no clarity. It's just something that we do when we want to feel like we're in control, power, being right, the whole entire thing. Okay? So that's win-lose. Another way to do win-lose, the child displays a behavior, okay, and then you get upset. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.